Hi again guys, welcome to my video, and for today's video I am going to teach you how to create your online portfolio. So if you have already created your website account or WordPress account, then this time let's level up your website by creating your online portfolio so that the next time that you are going to apply, you don't need to send a resume anymore. All you need to do is provide your client your online portfolio. What is the benefit of having an online portfolio? So if you have an online portfolio, your client will be able to see that you know how to use WordPress. If you also have an online portfolio, your client will be able to know that you know how to create your own content. So let's start. First, you need to go to Customize. Second, you need to click Menus. Next, you need to click Primary. And then after that, you need to add an items. Before we add an item, I'll just let you know what this menu page is. So this menu page are the pages that you can see on your website. So just like the home, it is your home page, and the contact is the part or the page where people visiting your website can contact you. So let's check the home page. So this is the home page. Now, let's add an item. And then on this part, I want you to type in portfolio and then click add. So if you can see, you already have another page which is portfolio. And if we are going to click this, it is blank. So it's now the right time to publish your online portfolio. Next, click back and then click site pages and then select the portfolio. So it is now the time to edit your online portfolio. So you can just close this tab, and then on the portfolio section, I want you to delete that and type in your complete name. And then on this block, you can add whatever information that you can add for your portfolio. So I'll just grab the information that I have from my Upwork account. So give me just a few seconds. Okay, I am going to paste it now. Since I copied it directly from my Upwork account, it is not set yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it is um, set accordingly or appropriately. So I'll just edit it. So the information that you can see here on my portfolio is based on my skills. So since I'm a social media manager, all the information here on my portfolio are about social media marketing. Now, all my information are set. So I am going to click update. So it already says page updated. So we can click view page. So if you can see, this is my portfolio now. The portfolio part was changed to my name. So if your blog name is your complete name, it is going to be redundant if they will see your name here and your name again here on the portfolio. So, and it is not nice if people will see your name here. So instead of your name here, it should be portfolio. So we are going to edit it and replace it with portfolio. So just click my sites and then go back to customize. Select menus, click the primary, select your name, and then edit the navigation label to portfolio. So if you will see, it is back now to portfolio. But we still need to publish it first. It says it is published. So we are going to click back. Now, I already have my online portfolio. So this is my home page. This is the contact page so that people can contact me. And this is the online portfolio or your online portfolio. So thank you guys for watching. On the next videos, I'll be providing more training. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I have new videos on my portfolio or on my account. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.